What is bad in Korean? Bad in Korean is
박쥐, 박쥐.
again. Bad in Korean is
박쥐.
How do we write bakche in Hangul? This is composed of two syllables. For the first syllable bak, we need to draw first a biop character, followed by an a character, followed by a giop character. For the second syllable tre, we need to draw first a giot character, followed by an u character, followed by an e character. And then we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these two syllables to write bakche in Hangul.
And with that, you already learned what is bad in Korean. Now, let's take the previous word quiz. What is baby in Korean? Baby in Korean is
아기, 아기.
Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time. Only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.